Hey guys, I recently got this mini computer, this Lenovo, and whenever I was trying to reinstall Windows, it wouldn't display after it installed Windows, so I unplugged the USB after it was like done restarting, and then it still had no display, so I took it apart and then plugged everything back in, make sure everything was correct, and then now it has no power. I'll show you guys. Alright, as you guys can see, it's plugged into the power. No power. See, no power. No power at all. It could be just this, but I'm not sure. Could be anything. But if anybody knows how to fix this, please contact me, because I want to get this computer up and running. So, yeah. It's kind of heavy. But yeah, it has a whole entire CD drive and everything. Yeah, it's got everything. Please, like, let me know in the comments. Maybe I could, like, ship it to you guys so you guys could try to fix it, please. And, that would be nice. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.